Michelle P. Cabato from the Doctor of Education, major in Educational Management. And let's give her a resounding applause.
A pleasant afternoon to everyone. To our university president, Dr. Albert M. Bells, our executive director of the Open University System, Dr. Philip C. Quiroga, G. Quiroga, our distinguished guests, beloved faculty members, proud parents, families, and fellow graduates. Welcome to each one. What a journey! It has been really a journey. And a 3-minute speech is hardly enough time to capture the few years of hard work, sleepless nights, and the incredible teamwork that brought us to this moment. Today, we don't just stand as individuals, but as a collective, a cohort of future leaders in educational management. On behalf of my fellow graduates, I want to express our deepest gratitude to our esteemed faculty members. Thank you for not only imparting knowledge, but for guiding us through the rigorous math of this program. You challenged our thinking, pushed us beyond our limits, and shaped us into the researchers and leaders we are today. Your mentorship has been invaluable. To our parents, spouses, children, and families, thank you for being our unwavering support system. You were our source of strength, our cheerleaders on the sidelines, and our reason to keep going when the pressure was on. This diploma is as much yours as it is ours. We share the success with you. And to my fellow graduates, we did it. We navigated this complex academic path together. We shared late-night study sessions, collaborated on research, and supported each other through every challenge. The bonds we formed are more than just professional. They are a network of friendship and mutual respect that will last as a lifetime. Let's remember this as we move forward to apply what we have learned and make a real difference in the world of education. As we go our separate ways, let us not forget the purpose of our degree: to lead, to innovate, and to manage change for the betterment of our schools and our communities. Let's use our knowledge to open doors for others and to build a more inclusive and accessible future for all learners. Well, I couldn't leave this platform without sharing my deepest gratitude, speaking in Japanese, since Japanese culture is already deep-seated in me. Minasan, 大変お世話になりました。お疲れ様でした。Thank you, and once again, congratulations to the PSU OUS Batch 2025. Mabuhay kayong lahat! May God bless us all para
They're called to make a solemn pledge to uphold the values and spirit of their alma mater and to lead this meaningful oath